Hello, everyone. Welcome to Let's Talk English. This is a place where we talk about real life, simple stories, food, and everyday lifestyle in easy English. If you want to improve your English and also enjoy calm conversations, you are in the right place. In this channel, we don't rush. We don't use difficult words. We talk slowly, clearly, and naturally because English is not just a subject. English is a language we use in daily life. I started Let's Talk English because I believe everyone has a story. You don't need perfect English to share your thoughts. You just need confidence and practice. Here, we learn English by listening, by thinking, and by feeling the words. When I started learning English, I was not confident. I was afraid of making mistakes. But one day, I realized something important. Mistakes are part of learning. Silence does not help. Speaking does. So I decided to practice every day, slowly, step by step. And that decision changed everything. For me, food and life are connected. When I eat or cook food, my mind feels calm. Food reminds us of home, family, and simple happiness. Just like food, learning English also needs patience. You don't learn everything in one day. You enjoy the process. Life does not need to be complicated. Simple routine, simple food, simple conversations. When life is simple, learning becomes easy. That's what this podcast is about. Simple English, simple thoughts, real life. Thank you for listening to Let's Talk English. If you like this kind of calm English practice, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. You can also write in the comments, what is your favorite food, and why do you like it? We will talk again in the next episode. Until then, keep listening, keep learning, and keep speaking English.